So I've got an interesting product today, and the reason that it's interesting is because this is a pair of LED bulbs that actually performs. They've got kind of a bad stigma, if you will, in the industry. You know, a lot of people see LED bulbs and they're like, oh, those are the people that blind oncoming traffic, blah, blah, blah. That might be true for a lot of LED bulbs, but not these. I love the packaging here. Of course, branding everywhere, little 3D graphic of the bulb and the driver on the box. Of course, we've got some information on the bulbs, which we'll get into a little bit later. It feels like a premium bulb unboxing this. And I mean, they are 120 bucks a pair. Is definitely not cheap for LED bulbs, but there's a reason why. I mean, look at the branding. You can even see on the bulb, look at that little logo right there, a little Morimoto logo. It's got the two-stroke branding, Morimoto on this side. And even on the driver, it's got the Morimoto logo, the two-stroke branding. That's pretty cool. Now, these bulbs have a 3-year warranty, which it makes you feel good. You know, you spend 120 bucks on a set of bulbs. You want to have some reassurance in case anything goes wrong. Yeah, so, I mean, with braided wiring, it's solid construction. It feels good. Solid metal. I don't know if this is aluminum. I would imagine it is. But they feel sturdy. We got these from TRS, the retrofit source. I believe you can get these on Amazon, probably fulfilled by Morimoto. You can definitely get them from Morimoto direct, but I believe their MSRP is marked up 15-20%. You're gonna want LED bulbs if you don't have a huge budget for, like, say, a projector retrofit, which would cost, you know, anywhere from 250 bucks, the lowest end, to sometimes 6,000-8,000 bucks if you're trying to get the best of the best, and a lot of work to install those. You gotta take your headlights apart. So the cool thing about LED bulbs and why they've, you know, kind of come up in the industry is just, you know, something that people flock to when they're looking to get a nicer looking light, is that they're plug and play. You literally unplug your halogen bulb, plug in the LED, and you're ready to roll. And you can see we put them in the Suburban and they just go right in. And see how compact these are? Let me grab these eBay bulbs here. I don't know what these are. eBay bulbs, Amazon specials is what we call them. But you see how, you know, these are actively cooled LED bulbs. This is passively cooled. So this has a fan, and this gets cooled by spreading these out, and the airflow goes through the little aluminum fins. The problem is my headlights on the Suburban have a dust cover. They're airtight. And so, you know, even if you could get this to work and you bend these all the way forward, you're not going to be able to get any airflow, and these bulbs are going to get pretty freaking hot, and probably it will eventually be their demise. So, like, check this out. I mean, that's literally half the size. So, and these bulbs barely fit too, which, you know, LED bulbs, a lot of, you know, some of the problems are you can't get them to fit in these newer headlights with these dust covers. So these fit in the Suburban fine. It was tight, but they fit. Got everything all packed in there. So I will say, you know, not to give these things all the love, because there's one thing that annoys the hell out of me, which is they're really loud. These fans in here are just buzzing. They're going pretty freaking fast. They're moving air, which I guess, you know, on one hand, at least you know that they're on and they're working, but they are loud. And we've seen too, even when we order these things, you see some reviews that people love the bulbs, but you know, a common complaint is that they're a little bit noisy. So final thoughts here on these bulbs. I'm going to be running in the Suburban. I like them a lot for a number of reasons. Again, the highlights. They're super compact. Their performance is incredible with the new Philips ZES LED chips. The 3-year warranty gives me a lot of peace of mind. I would say these are like the iPhone XS of the LED bulbs. You know, they've got a premium price, which a lot of people might not like. Doesn't sit well, 120 bucks for LED bulbs. But at the same time, they're the only bulb that universally they perform, and they perform in my application certainly, match my LED running light perfectly. So yeah, I'm gonna keep them. Maybe we'll do a 6-month review down the road, and I'll update you on you know, some more informed thoughts on their performance and longevity. And yeah, they're a good bulb. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but hit the subscribe button, hit the like, send it to your friends, and drop some questions in the comments. So, you know, there's been a conspiracy here. Let me see the picture. Pass it over. There's been a big conspiracy with these bulbs that Morimoto stole the design from Anakin's pod racer, which, I mean, it looks pretty damn close, wouldn't you say? I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, it's got.
Yeah, dude. I mean, that is just unbelievable. Maybe we'll put in a request for Morimoto to hear direct on their design.
We need to get a statement from those guys.
We need a statement from Morimoto.